So let me ask you a question. How would you like to earn money online simply by watching videos on your smartphone or your computer? This is quite simple for newcomers and you can earn money every day and you don't need any prior experience to do so. So take a look at how much cash you can make using today's strategy. You can earn $30 by watching 15 videos online. You can earn $90 by watching 45 videos, or you can watch 100 videos and easily make $200. Of course, you can keep doing this for a limitless time. The very best part about this method is that it's entirely free. You don't need to spend anything, and also you don't even need a credit card to make it. As this is available globally, you can start earning money online simply by watching videos from anywhere worldwide. So make sure to watch this video to the end because I will share some bonus tips with you. Alright, so bonus tip number 1, I will show you how to quickly earn an extra $300 to $500 as well as you can withdraw your money within 24 hours. And bonus tip number 2, I will show you just how to create numerous passive income streams from just one app and exactly how to accumulate free extra money and up to $100. And finally, I'm going to show you just how to earn 3 times even more cash than other people without doing any extra work. This is my brand new top secret method and I have never shared anything with anyone else before like this. So make sure to watch the entire video until the end and not skip any of the steps. After you have completed watching this video, I will show you exactly how to make your first $100 online. But first, hello and also welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. If it seems helpful to you, like it and share it with your friends and family. Now let's get into the video. Now I would like to look at this video to make $2 just by watching it. Additionally, you can watch more videos on this brand new website on your phone or computer. Well, firstly, I want you to go to gg2u.org. You can make money online right here by doing surveys, playing video games, and watching videos. But in this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it is simple and easy to execute and any person can do it. The good part about this website is that you can get $1 just by signing up. All you have to do is provide your first name, email address, login and password for the country area. When you click on the down arrow, you can see that they accept people from around the world. So it's matter not if you are from the United States, Canada, Nigeria, Australia, India, Pakistan or anywhere. You can still earn money because this is global opportunity. Once you are filling out this form, click here and select sign up for GG2U. Here is where you can obtain a cost-free $1 by creating a cost-free account. This is one of my favorite websites since you can get paid every day via PayPal or receive free gift cards. So if you are coming from different regions of the world, you have another options for receiving your money. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what kind of payment options you prefer in your country. As a result, this service provides several choices for viewing different videos online while making money. If you look at this website, they offer an extremely high rate of 65 to 85% compared to other companies that only provide the commission of 40 to 60%. Once you have completed the sign-up process for this website, you will be able to access their welcome page where you will see that they are a very high-paying source of survey routers and offer wall offerings where you may watch videos. They additionally provide payout rates ranging from 65 to 85% as I said previously. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Now let's get back into it. They will certainly provide you $1 for every 100 coins as seen above. They will certainly currently pay you coins on the page and for every 100 coins you can have the ability to change that for genuine money. Furthermore, after you hit $7, you can start withdrawing funds from your PayPal account. Alternatively, you could receive gift cards. So when you scroll down below, you can click on this web link to continue right here. Following that, you can see that this page says to get started earning. Here are some simple things to do. As you can see, they will give you this amount of coins for this deal. Now, if you scroll down further, you can watch even more of these bargains that are available on this website. Of course, you can do all of these offerings to create several sources of income and make a lot of money online. But once again, we will focus on simply watching videos. So if you want to earn money by watching videos like this, keep watching and following my instructions as in this video. I want you to scroll to the bottom of this website right now. There is a disclaimer that states several of these deals are only available for a short time. As a result, make sure to complete them immediately. So if you want to make some additional money, make sure to complete these offers as quickly as possible. Now I want you to click here, and also when I am completed with this page, you will be taken to your account. This is my dashboard. As you can see, they provided me a $1 once I signed up for a free account, as well as if you have $7, you can start cashing out your money. So keep that in mind, you need to earn $7 before you can cash your money out. When I scroll down, you can see numerous companies and offerings that I can do. Many companies that will certainly provide you with specific offers such as surveys, software downloads, and even watching videos can click one of this and complete the suggestions to make money online. I'm going to show you one of the instances now. So if you click on AdSense and Media, you will be taken to this page where you may complete numerous other points to earn money online such as surveys, free trials, and downloading mobile apps. If you want to get cash by watching videos, click on this video button right here. Then you will be redirected to this page where it says autoplay videos. And you will notice that you will get silver tokens for each 200 video points earned, which will undoubtedly add up to $1 or $3 to your account balance. So you can roughly $1 to $3 for each video you watch. You can gain approximately $2 per videos on average. As you go down, you can see that they can earn video points by completing any of the offerings below. You can start making money online by watching videos, viral videos, chillax videos, food videos. For example, if you scroll down below, you will discover that there are many videos that you can start watching and make money online from. When you click to load a lot more offers, you will notice that there are much more videos you can watch to earn money online. So let me show you one of the examples right here. If you click this orange button right here, you will be taken to this website. And it is here that you might begin watching videos as well as earning money online. You can likewise earn $1 to $2 for every video by watching it. And also this is a great chance. Right now I will show you a couple of bonus tips for making additional money. So I will go ahead and click this gear setting button right here. Also, I want you to go ahead and select the lowest resolution, which is 240p. I want you to choose the lowest option because if you watch on your phone or computer, the easiest method to make the most money is to go ahead and click on numerous videos on several channels and watch all of them. That will eat up a lot of your internet speed if you don't change the resolution to the lowest. So, selecting the lowest setting is the perfect choice for you. Now you can select and watch different videos by looking to the right side of the web page. Also, this is where you can get bonus money for $2 or $3 for each video you watch. As a result, you can obtain the point and also convert it into real cash. Okay, one more extra tip. You can watch other videos by clicking on this arrow button right here. For example, you can see this right here. There is much more over here. This video right here has a lot of views and you can earn extra money online for every video you watch. Of course, you can watch this on your phone. You can watch it on your iPhone, your Android phone or your computer. Now leave a comment down below. Tell me what phone or computer you used to watch this video because you can do it for free on your phone or your computer. After you have completed watching the videos, you can proceed by clicking the next button right here. And you can likewise discover that there are 9 other videos to watch. So keep watching your videos over and over again and you will be able to make a lot of cash online. That's all for today's video. If you consider it helpful, hit the like button and share it with people. If you like to watch this kinds of videos, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.